Hey guys, if you want to use Steam Mobile to vote in game rewards, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open the Steam Mobile app and log in with your account, right? Then access the Steam Awards. You can just go ahead by clicking right here at the three bars at the bottom, right? And you're gonna be able to have access to the community right here if you scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna go ahead to the community home. You're gonna be able to have access to select Steam Awards from the drop down menu, right? You're gonna be able right here to see it even, right? So you're gonna see right here share, and you're gonna be able to see the games and the awards, right, from Steam. All right, and browse categories, scroll through the available categories and nominees and cast your vote. Tap the vote right here. Let's have example this game, right? And I'm gonna be able to vote right here by liking this game, right? It says right here your account does not meet the requirements to use this feature, but if your account is not like new as me, you're gonna be able to actually vote, right? You're gonna be able to cast your vote for any game for that matter, and then review and confirm. Before submitting your vote, review your selections to ensure accuracy, right? And select a confirm to finalize your vote, right? Either by commenting or liking, right? Or disliking the game, okay? And basically that's it. And additional tip, look for nominate this game for an award button and tap it to vote. This is important if the game is actually available or not, you get if the game is actually allowed to be to vote. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.